Samsung is getting ready to make a big improvement to one of its newest features, the Now bar. This feature first came out with One UI 7.0, which is based on Android 15. The main idea behind the Now bar is simple but useful. It shows ongoing tasks like music playback or active timers right on the lock screen. You don't have to unlock your phone to control these things. Everything shows up in a neat row of cards, which Samsung calls the Now bar. The concept is smart, but it hasn't been perfect. One of the biggest issues with the Now bar has been that it only supports a limited number of apps. Most of the apps that work with it are made by Samsung itself. So even though the feature is helpful, its use is pretty limited for most users who rely on third-party apps every day. But this is about to change. According to the official device experience guide for the Galaxy Z Flip 7, Samsung is planning to expand the Now bar's app support in a major way. As of now, only 20 apps are compatible with the Now bar. By the end of 2025, that number will grow to 35. Samsung hasn't revealed which apps are coming, but it's clear that the company wants the Now bar to be more useful and more widely supported across different types of apps. One of the things that might help with this expansion is Android 16. This upcoming version of Android includes a new tool for app developers called a standardized API. This tool lets apps send live updates like delivery tracking, music progress, or other real-time info directly to the lock screen and status bar. It's a more universal system that makes it easier for apps to share information without needing special customization. Currently, Samsung's One UI 8 doesn't use this new Android tool yet. But if Samsung decides to support it in future updates, it could allow even more apps to use the Now bar without much extra work for developers. That would be a big step forward because it would mean third-party apps like Spotify, WhatsApp, or Uber could possibly show live information in the Now bar just like Samsung's own apps do. There's another improvement coming, especially for those who use Galaxy Z Flip phones. In One UI 7.0, the Now bar appeared on the small outer cover screen of these foldable phones. But there was a catch: you could see the Now bar cards, but interacting with them usually opened the full app or widget. That made it less convenient, especially when you just wanted to pause a song or check something quickly. With One UI 8, that's getting fixed. Now, the Now bar works the same way on both the main screen and the cover screen. That means users can directly interact with the Now bar cards right from the outer display without opening the whole phone. This is a big win for anyone who likes to use their phone one-handed or keep it folded while checking quick info. It also makes the Now bar much more practical on foldable devices, which are all about flexibility and convenience. Even though Samsung hasn't listed the new apps that will be added to the Now bar, everything points to one direction. The company is serious about making this feature more useful and more central to the Galaxy experience. The improvements to how the Now bar works on the Z Flip's cover screen show that Samsung is paying attention to real-world usage and trying to make its software smarter and easier to use. If Samsung does decide to fully adopt the live update feature built into Android 16, the possibilities for the Now bar will grow even more. It won't just be limited to a few Samsung-made apps. Instead, it could support a wide range of services from food delivery to ride-sharing to streaming and fitness tracking. All of that information right on your lock screen, ready to view or control without unlocking your phone. So, in the next couple of years, we could see the Now bar become a key feature across Samsung's devices. It's already helpful for managing small tasks, but these upcoming updates could make it something users rely on every day. Whether you're listening to music, waiting for a delivery, or just checking a timer, the Now bar could soon become your go-to place for live updates and quick actions no matter what app you're using. It's still early, and we'll have to wait to see exactly which apps get added and when. But what's clear is that Samsung is working hard to turn the Now bar into a feature that's not just nice to have, but one that really enhances how you use your phone every single day. What's your thoughts on this? Let me know in the comments section. See you in the next video. Peace out.